Greetings and welcome to another video. Today we'll be discussing how to manifest under pressure. All of us have had the desire for a manifestation to happen because of some kind of external pressure. Maybe we needed money for an unexpected bill, or we needed to find how to heal ourselves while having a health problem. According to Neville, imagination can shape our reality, and our thoughts and feelings are the sources of creation in our 3D reality. So, all we need to do is use the creative power of imagination, correct? But how can we do that when we are under pressure? Man is such a slave to time that if after he has appropriated a state of consciousness which is not now seen by the world and needs, the appropriated state does not immediately embody itself, he loses faith in the unseen claim. Forthwith he drops it and returns to his former static state of being. So we get anxious and we feel the urge to take action, to manifest our desires. In a previous video we have discussed how to manifest within a specific time frame, but the essence comes down to remaining persistent to our desire. Do not selfishly define this interval in days and hours because you are anxious to receive it, but simply remain in the conviction that it is done. Time, being purely relative, should be eliminated entirely, and your desire will be fulfilled. We are pure consciousness. We are not limited by time, and as Neville says, time is ever conditioned by man's conception of himself. So, why are you so overwhelmed by the concept of time? If we can manifest all our desires with the use of our imagination and occupy the appropriate state where everything is in pure harmony with our desires whenever we wish to, why do we feel bound and limited by time? If we can occupy a state of wealth, health, or any other desired state at any time, time is completely irrelevant. Neville has mentioned, "In my Father's house are many mansions, many states of consciousness that exist and are waiting for us to occupy them." So we need to imagine ourselves being within the desired state so we can occupy it, and the more we use our senses to feel the realness of the desired state, the quicker this state will be embodied within our reality. All we need to do is to stay faithful to our conviction. The more we dwell in the idea of already having our desire, the faster our desire will be realized. More specifically, Neville mentions that you will be filled with a joyful expectancy because you have established the consciousness of that which must take place, and you will feel the complete thrill of having received it. Use your imagination to establish this feeling of your realized desire. Ignore the evidence of the senses and dwell in this state, and you will notice how everything will begin to fall in place. And now, this was the end of our video. If you enjoy this kind of content, please feel free to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you all for watching.